In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can link PayPal to your Robinhood. So first method is using a PayPal debit card. So if you have a PayPal debit card, you can link it to your Robinhood account as a funding source. Here's how you can do it. First open up your Robinhood app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. Then on this screen, you have to click on this three-line menu at the top of your screen. From this menu screen, click on transfers. Then you just have to scroll down and you will find this section links account. You just have to click on this add account button under this section. Then from this screen you have to select this option debit card, and then you just enter your PayPal debit card details and click on continue. And once you do that, your PayPal debit card will be linked to your Robinhood. Linking your PayPal debit card allows for instant transfers to your Robinhood account. Keep in mind that while deposits are free, withdrawals to a debit card may cause 1.5% fee. So second option is transferring via a link bank account. So alternatively, you can transfer funds from your PayPal account to a traditional bank account and then transfer to the Robinhood. So first let's start how you can do it. First open up your PayPal app and then click on this wallets option from the bottom of your screen. Then you just have to click on this balance that is showing under this PayPal balance section. Then on the screen you can simply click on this transfer button, and from this window click on transfer money, and then you can just simply enter the amount how much you want to transfer in your bank account. You can choose the transfer speed, and in this two section you have to select your bank account where you have want to transfer this money, and then click on this transfer. And once your money has been transferred to your bank account, you can open up your Robinhood app and then simply click on this buying power section from the dashboard of your screen. Then you just have to click on this deposit funds. Then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to deposit in your Robinhood account. Then you just have to select your bank, the same bank account in this from section that you have used to transfer your money from PayPal. You can also link your bank account by clicking on this add account button. After that, just enter amount and click on review, and then lastly click on transfer. And once you do that, your money will be transferred from your PayPal to your Robinhood. So that is how you can link your PayPal to a Robinhood. I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.